Okay, HKDSE 2022 question 5 for percentage. So as always, try to put the cost, mark price and selling price relationships on the side so that you can check what's happening. Okay, so the profit loss in this cost and selling price relation, and then we got the discount for the mark price and selling price. So in this particular case, you were told that there is a 30% discount on the mark price. So there is a 30% discount on the mark price. So you got this selling price equation. And then you were also told there is a profit. Now profit is when you have a selling price higher than the cost. So you made a profit of $78. And then you also told the percentage profit. So you make a profit on the cost. So you got the 26% profit on the cost to sell the item. So we got three equations, and in this case all of them has got a selling price in them. Now just have to find a way to combine these equations so that at the end you can find the mark price. But in this case you can see that you have these two equations that talks about the selling price and the cost actually. So if that's available, you got two of the same unknowns, you got two separate equations. So here we can actually use our program one simultaneous equations. So all we have to do is a little bit rearrangement for the second equation in that box, which is the one at the bottom. So what we need to do is just to move that C back over to the left hand side. So we'll subtract, and because 1 plus 26% is 1.26, you can get that done like so. So you got the first equation right here, and then the second equation right here, and then you're gonna pick up a calculator and program one. You will find the selling price and the cost, and you'll find out that the selling price was 378 and the cost was 300. Now once that's found, we are asked for the mark price, which was the first equation. So we know the selling price is 378. So pulling the first equation back down here, we can now find the mark price, and 0.7 can be written instead of 1 minus 30%, and voila, the mark price is found, which is $540. Okay, so just to recap, when we made these two equations, we found out that two of the equations talk about selling price and the cost, because it was given percentage profit, which is here, and then the profit, which is also here. So both equations would be talking about the cost and the selling price, which we didn't know, but simultaneous help us to solve it. Once we found them, then we put in the equation that they gave us in the first place, the discount of 30% on the mark price, to help us to find the mark price.